Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI, and could I be more in love with this lip gloss? This is the Makeup Revolution lip gloss with the Friends edition, and this is the shade for Joey. So I was gifted this lip gloss by a friend who knows how much I love Friends and how much I love a good lip gloss. So for me, this was the perfect gift. And I was pleasantly surprised by how much I really like this lip gloss. First of all, the packaging is super cute. It has Joey written all over it with the little sandwiches. I think that's so cute. But the lip gloss itself is amazing. I love a nice scent to my lip gloss, and this lip gloss smells really sweet like candy. It's really pleasant to smell. And the applicator is really big, so I feel like it goes on really easy. The product itself is quite sticky. So as you can see here, it definitely will stay on your lips. I found that I don't need to reapply it too many times, and it stays really nice. And the product is very moisturizing. Immediately my lips look and they feel way more plump and more moisturized. And I usually wear this alone, but you could definitely put it on top of a lipstick or lip liner. I love it. I think it was the perfect present. So go ahead and buy this for any friend lover in your life. Buy it for yourself. You're gonna love it, I promise. And that's my point of view.